What is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Tomica Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34 police car. This is number 1 from the Tomica series. I'm not sure which year is this, but yeah, this is number 1, skill 1/62. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, one thing I'm curious about this casting is, when did it release? I mean, like, I've never heard this casting even existed. This police car of the Nissan GTR R34 police car. I mean, like, I literally never knew that this car has ever been a police car, a Japanese police car. And I was like super duper shocked when I see it in the glass cabinet for Tomica. So I was scrolling around, I was checking what other cars are available, and when I was checking out the police section of the Tomica cupboard, and suddenly I saw one of this casting. Like, I found 2 or 3 of this. I only took one, of course, because I was never even gonna keep it sealed or anything or whatsoever. And I was quite surprised that this even existed. I mean, like, I know Eno64 did it, right? If I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if it was Eno or another brand. I'm not too sure. But I never knew Matchbox ever did this. I mean, why did I say Matchbox? I didn't even know Tomica did it. So I was quite impressed by Tomica making this. I mean, like, many people like really wanted this to be a actual Tomica car, and to my surprise, this actually existed. I did not really know. Like, sure, you might have heard of this one, the R35, which is one of the better versions of the police car these days. Like, it's normally used in Japan, as well as the Mazda RX-8. But this R34, I didn't know it actually was in existence. I mean, like, I was really shocked when I saw it with my own eyes. And not many people got this, not gonna lie. So I was doing some research and I saw some videos, but like, there were only 2 or 3 people who only had this. Like, not many people in this world knew that this was an actual casting, and not many people bought this. And I was like questioning myself why. And I do not know why. Because nobody ever seen this casting before, including me. I mean, like, I didn't know until I saw it with my own eyes. So let's take a look at the car itself right now. Put the R35 aside. So here's the R34 in white and black paint job, which of course is basically a Japanese police car, so it has to be white and black. So on the side it has Japanese writing. I'm not sure what is that basically, but I think it says police. So it has some silver chrome on the rims of the wheel, which should be pure black so that the color wouldn't wear off. For the front, it also has that some black stripes, black stripe, and then as well as this like bar right here. Should be a light bar in front on the hood. I'm not sure if this is a light bar or not. Comment down below, what is this? I mean, if you're in the third person view in the cockpit, I'm not sure how would you see the road with this barrier in front. Then same goes for the left side right there. For the back, it has the police right there, as well as this plastic spoiler, which doesn't really bend around, stays in place, which is pretty nice. Now sadly, the plastic spoiler is a bit yellow to the white body. It's not typically the same color, which sadly I thought it would be same color with the body like the R35 would. Turns out it's not. Then on the top, it has the 854 number, as well as the red siren bar, which again is pretty nice. Oh, I forgot to say that the front lights even are the separate headlights, which is pretty interesting. As well as I forgot to say about the rear lights. Of course, those 4 circles right there, pretty nice. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another one. See you soon. Bye bye.